Good morning, everyone. Today we have another student. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Taniksha Rawat in class 5th A from Hayde Heritage Academy Kotdwara. Today I'm going to do the table of 72 up to the 50th length.
Very good. Tanasha is in level 2. She is doing very good. She has made foothold in single digit numbers, addition and subtraction. Today she is going to do table of 72 and that it up to 50 length. Start, Tanisha.
72, 144, 216, 288, 360, 432, 504, 576, 648, 720, 792, 864-936-1008, 1080, 1152, 1224, 1296, 1368, 1440, 1512, 1584, 1656, 1728, 1800, 1872, 1944, 2016, 2088, 2160, 2232, 2304, 2376, 2448, 2520, 2592, 2664, 2736, 2808, 2880, 2952, 3024, 3096, 3168, 3240, 33112, 3384, 3456, 3528, 3600. Thank you.
Very good, Tanisha. Wonderful. Congratulations.